How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel. And today's video, we're going to be discussing these Lincoln Continental models here. They're all vintage AMT. But before we get that started, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all guys, believe me, I would not have a channel. If it wasn't for you supporting me by hitting that like button, share button, it's free, guys. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, it's free. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go round, guys. That's what I always preach. And support everybody in our community, just by giving them a like, a share, maybe, for sure, subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Anybody in our community, we sure would appreciate it. Like I said, on this channel, I'm not one to ask you to give money or support or anything like that. I just want you to enjoy the content. All right. And if you're a model builder, it's not hard to do. Pick up your phone. That's what I do. And get to filming. All right, guys. All right. With this video, y'all seen that I bought a big collection of stuff here the other day. I told y'all about last week, whatever it was, and you already seen this Lincoln right here. I did show it to you with some of the cars I had got, and I got lots more to show you. And I pulled these out of this collection to show you the differences, I guess, between these Lincolns. You got one right here that's a Craftsman kit. It was, I think that one's a 50, it don't say on the box, but I'm thinking it's a 59 or 60. I'll have to look. This one here's a 59, and there's a 60. This one's mint. This one's never ever been built. And I'm going to show you the difference between them. And then on this one right here, guys, I showed this to you the other day, but I got to inspecting this model. And if you'll look here, that grill, well, if I can get to focus, that's a 58. I got to look it on the internet. That's a 58. Well, I couldn't see that AMT made a 58 model, but they had the 58 promo. But I don't believe this is the promo, but the front end might be, because I think it's been grafted in. It's been cut. I can tell by looking at things. It's been cut. This front end's been grafted into this model kit, so this was probably a 59 or 60 that they grafted it into. And if you'll look up underneath here, I got to inspecting the wheel wells. This wheel well's not cut out. That wheel well is. Look how thick that plastic is up in there. Or resin or whatever it is. I'm not for sure. It could be a resin front end. This could be it could be resin, it could be from the promo. I really don't know, guys, but this front end's been grafted in. He did a great job. You can see I showed you this kit already, but that front end to focus here. If I can get that, why ain't you focus? There you go, focus. That's the rear end. There's that beautiful front end. Yeah, that's a good looking car. Let's put that to the side. Like I said, that's got to be a 58. This one right here shows that it's the Craftsman. It's in the Craftsman box. But I think what the person did, because I really don't think this is a promo. I think he put a promo bottom on it. And made it into like a friction promo. Because that kit was molded in black. This kit's molded in black. He's painted the interior on it. Now let me move this stuff out of the way. I need to get my turntable here, so put that on and let y'all see. Matter of fact, let me do that. Look at that sexy thing here. Get this turntable. There we go. I probably should already had that done. Alright. I got to inspecting this model. It don't want to stay on there so daggum long. This model, the interior has been painted, the body has not. It's still the same black paint that it would have been in. Let me adjust this camera. It's still the same black paint. One of my lights has went out here, guys. Bear with me. See, this is on the fly right here, guys. This is stuff I have to deal with because I don't edit or do nothing. Let's see if I can get this little light to come back on here. There we go. Let's get a little light in here. Okay, you can see that a little bit better. Okay. But what they've done to it is put one of these friction bottoms on here. I think that's one of them universal that you could buy back in the day, and he just put it on there. But this would be that right there, which was a Craftsman kit. I don't know what the guy did. He was a collector of promos, that's for sure, so I bought a bunch of them. Look at that beautiful front end right there. This in here says it's a 1959. You can see that right there. Those rear ends. Yep, there's differences between those rear ends right there. The crest is different in the middle. The headlights are different. But other than that, the roundness and the bumpers pretty much look the same. I'm going to give y'all another little roundabout on this one here. That in there is a hard top. She's beautiful. Look at the lines on that thing. Let's throw that one over here to the side. And throw this box over to the side, guys. Let me open this box up. Throw that box right there. This in here has been built. It is a 59 convertible. Okay. That one is a 59 convertible. It looks to me like it used to have some custom fender skirts on it. He's taken them off. Looks like they've taken them off right there. It's got some holes drilled out in it. See, there's a little hole right there. I don't know if they had some kind of mirroring right there. Some holes right there. There's the front end on this one. Boy, that chrome's not as pretty as that other one. But it's very good shape. Still got the emblem on it. So you can see right here, it's had, at one time, it's had them custom fender skirts on it. And there's the rear end on this one. Interior's in excellent shape. Got the hole down there. It looked like for a custom shifter. So still got the flash in there on that. Here's the bottom of it. It's got black screws here, it looks like. It looks like he's been playing around with stuff. But, like I said, I bought all these. Collection. A guy had bought it all at an estate sale, and he'd bought it all for, he wanted all the die cast and all that. He bought everything there. Well, and I turned around and bought all the, pretty much some of the promos and all the plastic kits off of him. Let me move this out of the way. And because he wanted all the die cast and everything. Now this one right here, guys, that's a mint kit. That sucker's not been touched. Let me move these models out of the way. These promos out of the way. Let's unbox this bad boy. If I can get this stupid light. Y'all bear with me. I'm having technical difficulties over here with this light. Trying to get it to set still. Alright. This is the AMT 1960. I hope I'm not boring y'all guys. AMT customizing convertible kit. Race car, custom car, stock. You can see right there it's kind of a generic box. This is the early days of modeling right here for AMT. You can see the custom parts. You got your lake pipes. Stock wheel disc. Let's see, custom wheel disc. You got louvers. You got your skirts. You got a Continental kit, air scoops. You know, just oil gauges. I mean, just custom grill, roll bar, fins. I mean, just all kinds of stuff. let's open this bad boy up and show you what's in here. Set that over there. Oh, and yeah, you can tell what it is on the box. I told y'all it was a generic box. Some of y'all already know this, but there it is. It tells you what it is. 1960 Continental convertible. So, put that over to the side. Here's the decals for it. You can see right there. 3-in-1 assembly customizing kit by AMT. Right there. It's a Mark IV. 1960 Mark IV Lincoln Continental. Basic instructions. Shows you, stock or lowering. How to put the wheels on. You had to hammer them in because there's the old promo style wheels back then. You got your tachometer, your steering wheel, and your dash. Pretty much all the stuff you had for the interior because the seats were molded in. Shows you how to put the tub, interior tub in. And then you got your chassis plate, and all that held it was screws. You had your lake pipes, any of your customizing stuff if you wanted to put on there, louvers. Official pace car, 500-mile race. Pretty cool decals. Let's see right here. Here's the back side of it. Pretty good kit. Still got the instructions. And there's those decals. They're so yellowed and stuff. Those will never be used. But man, look at that. Official pace car. Continental. Looky here. Imperial too. So they must have used the same decals for like the Chrysler Imperial or something too. So there's a bit of history right there. Look at here. He even took the time to put all the parts in bags. Look how bright that chrome is, guys. This is a 1960. And now you can see the difference between the back end of that 59 and 58. How it's got these little fins that come up, the tail lights, everything's different. The grills, look at that. Beautiful. Get some light on that. Y'all can see that a little bit better. There's the back side of it. For as old as that is, that chrome is still pretty bright. Set that over to the side. Here's some parts that are bagged. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, looks like you got some fins and some louvers, and those little round things there hold your interior tub in. Of course, these earlier models like this for AMT, they didn't have engines in them. I don't think they started coming out with the engines till like 60, 61, 62. I'm not for sure, somewhere around in there. I'm sure you historians will tell me. Here is little skirts that go on it, little fender skirts. There's a custom hood scoop. There's your other fender skirt. Let's see. Let's just dump everything out here and see what we got. You got your stock wheels. 4 of them. Steering wheel. You got some red lights here. I don't know what custom parts those would go to. Here is a chrome piece that's fell off the chrome tree. Don't know what that would go to. Probably some custom stuff. Here's your Continental kit. I ain't gonna pull that out. There's some of the wheel stock and lowering wheel blocks. There's metal axles. There's your screws. Let's open this bad boy up and see what else. Oh, see, you even got the tires. Tires in the plastic. That's what I'm talking about. That's somebody that knows what they're doing right there. Beautiful tires. Check them bad boys out. White walls are very beautiful. Promo style tires. That's what they had back then. Let's open this bad boy up. Basic kits, guys, back then. Basic kits. There's your windshield. It's got some scuffs on it from all the years. There is your dash. Very nice. And here is your windshield frame. Just like on the other kit. It snaps into here, just like that. Let's pop that off. Here is your top boot. Your interior tub. Got some pretty good engraving. Of course, you know, nothing like the kits these days with the detail. Here's your chassis plate. Of course, everything molded in, curbside. No engine. Look at that. And guys, that's basically it. Look at that. Okay, there's some differences here. See where it's got the lines molded in right there to where that kit doesn't. Let's see. Yeah, there's major differences between them. There's even the look at this. It's kind of got a swirl, kind of. I don't know, like the plastic's got swirls in it, like from dark to light. You can see where it says Continental on the front. Mark 5. This is a Mark 5 door. That other was a Mark 4. Look at that. Alright, guys. If you like my unboxing here and kind of a little explanation on all these other Lincoln Continentals, please like, share, and subscribe. And appreciate you watching. And, excuse me. And, alright. See you on the next video. Bye.